And now it's time for our viewer poll review. Earlier we asked, do you support the state's requirement to ban phones in public schools? 78% of you say yes and 22% of you say no. We also asked, are you worried about inflation rising more? 61% of you say yes and 39% of you say no. Come to crossroadstoday.com/vote to take part in our viewer poll. I'm now joined by two members of the Port Lavaca community and the theater community. I am joined by Ms. Shaughnessy Howell and Russell Kane, who's a longtime supporter and volunteer of Main Street Theater in Port Lavaca. And Shaughnessy is a director. So you're directing the upcoming production of Gaslight.
Yes, it's the first play that I've ever directed before. I've acted in plays pretty much my whole life, but it's just the first play I've directed in, and it's been a learning curve.
And what's it been like? I know this is the first show for the theater in the last 4 years, all thanks to a renovation.
Yes, the Madden Foundation granted us $100,000, then $250,000. We have all new air conditioners, 4 of them. We renovated the awning out front. It's just wonderful. Mr. and Miss Madden and I scrubbed the floors on this theater 30 years ago, and they created a foundation before they left this world. They've been so good to Calhoun County, and I put that in the grant, and I think that's why we got it, because of what the Maddens did for the community and for the theater.
Well, that's close to $500,000 putting those two grants together, isn't it?
Yes.
Wow, and I have had the privilege of serving as a pageant judge in that theater.
Oh, really?
So I'm excited to see it all cleaned up and
Oh, it's wonderful.
beautiful. I mean, it's already gorgeous, and there's so much history. I love looking at all the posters of the playbills and the past posters. There's some theatrics.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Well, let's go ahead and remind people about the dates. So at 8 p.m., August 7th, it's going to premiere this production of Gaslight, and then they'll have 2 other 8 p.m. performances on the 8th and the 9th. And at 2 p.m. on August 10th, they'll have a matinee, which I like because I go to bed early. And it's all going to be in downtown Port Lavaca. It is hard to miss because you'll see it as you're driving down that main street. And to reserve your ticket, 361-250-9670, and it all goes back to the theater.
Yes.
Well, we're excited to check it out, and I'm excited to see new life being brought to the theater. Thank y'all for everything you're doing.
Well, it's bringing life back to our community.
That's right.
Thanks to benevolent people like the Maddens.
Well, thank you to the Maddens, and thank y'all so much for joining us on the show.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
All right. Well, that does it for this week's Community Crossroads. Hope y'all have a great week, and be sure to reserve your theater ticket.